Welcome to sports, everyone. For the second time in 3 weeks, the Georgia Southern Eagles hitting the field against an ACC foe. In the season opener, the Eagles would fall by 1 point at North Carolina State. Today, it was a trip to Atlanta as Georgia Southern and Georgia Tech hooked up for the first time ever. Of course, the Yellow Jackets, coached by former Eagles head man Paul Johnson. Big Frank was in Atlanta and has the highlights.
This one a long time in the making. Eagles taking the field at Bobby Dodd Stadium, but it's Georgia Tech striking first. A little over a minute into the game, the Jackets take a 7-0 lead on the 8-yard touchdown run by quarterback Justin Thomas. Eagles in a hole quickly. Later in the first, Tech's going to make it 14-0 as Thomas throws to Zach Lasky, who gets in for the score. Tech was a buzzing, but the Eagles respond. The pitch goes to Matt Breida. Breida hitting the sideline, and he's headed this way. When all is said and done, the run covers 69 yards and goes for the touchdown. Georgia Southern was on the scoreboard. However, Tech's offense firing on all cylinders. It's 21-7 in the second quarter when Thomas throws for Darren Waller. Touchdown Tech. It was now 28-7. After a Georgia Southern field goal makes it 28-10, Jackets sting again. Thomas throwing again. This time, he hits DeAndre Smelter for the 57-yard touchdown. Georgia Tech would grab a 35-10 lead at the half. But the second half, well, that was a different story. Eagles strike a couple minutes into the third quarter. Kevin Ellison on the keeper. They're not going to catch him. Ellison going to go 32 yards to the house with the point after. It was 35-17. Next time the Eagle offense was on the field, they go to the air. Ellison throwing deep for Kentrell Showers, who hauls into pass and takes it inside the Tech 5-yard line. Southern then back into the end zone. Breida with his second touchdown of the contest. All of a sudden, it was 35-24. But the Eagles, well, they weren't done soaring yet. Later in the third, Ellison throwing again. This time he connects with B.J. Johnson. Johnson breaks away. Pass and catch goes for 68 yards and a touchdown. 35-30 game, and the Georgia Southern fans, they were in a frenzy. To the fourth quarter, Southern on the move again. Ellison throwing to Breida, who hauls into pass deep in Tech territory. Very next play, L.A. Ramsby getting the call. He's going to give Georgia Southern their first lead of the contest with the 11-yard touchdown run. Eagles add a 2-point conversion to make it 38-35. Oh, it was beyond nail-biting time for the Jackets. The Eagle offense with the ball again late in the game. On the move, Fabian Upshaw at quarterback. He throws the incomplete pass, or does he? This one is reviewed and the officials overrule the call and say it's a fumble. Tech recovers and the Jackets have life. They move down the field, and with under 30 seconds left, Eagles putting on the pressure, but Thomas eludes that pressure, and he's going to find Dion Hill, who goes in for the touchdown. Eagles going to drop a heartbreaker in the ATL. Yellow Jackets eke out the win, 42-38 the final.
We came close, you know, it didn't count. We made a game of it, certainly, and didn't look that way walking off the field at halftime. But I'm sure there weren't a whole lot of people besides us who thought that was going to occur, so I was very proud of our guys.
We already went against two ACC opponents, and I feel like both those games we played, we had a chance to win. So I feel like this is definitely showing what we can do as a team, and I feel like just better things are going to come from this.